Hello YouTubers, this is Shimigami, bringing you Alone in the Train. This is my first time going on the train because I'm going to high school. So, I was getting ready for the train, waiting for it, just listening to my music. A strange guy right next to me, smiling at me, say, "What a wonderful day we're having." That was weird, but I went back to listen to music. Then the train came. I stepped in, saw it was empty. It was just me and that guy, but I saw a little girl with him, saying, "You better run." I just listen to music and forget, but the girl could keep on coming closer. He stopped and said it louder, "You better run." So I get off the next train. The question in my head, why the little girl told me to run? If you like this creepy story time, please slap that like button. Part 2 of The Lone Train will come. If you have a creepy story, say it down below. Good day and goodbye.